Alright guys, this is gonna show you a no good list here. This is why if you miss the king with Miss King Scourge, it's no more. But actually you miss the King Megatron, it's 2025, right? We're gonna celebrate your 3 accolades to all night they can come. It's coming to show. Here he comes.
Get down for the get down. Everybody party with King who? King who? Tonight will be forever.
Let's do King Julian style.
Y'all tell me who's the king?